We get a lot of questions here at Excellent Supply about how to go about building your commercial carpet cleaning business. So I put together something special. We've put together a 7-part series on commercial marketing and how to go about building your commercial carpet cleaning business. So stick around. You won't want to miss a single one. All of the segments are short, so stay tuned and pick up a few pointers on how to build your commercial carpet cleaning business. Our first series on commercial marketing is going to start with the most basic, marketing pieces. So let's talk about what goes into good marketing pieces. First of all, make sure that you build a niche. What I mean by that is a specific niche that's geared for commercial carpet cleaning. In my carpet cleaning business down through the years, we focused on commercial only. And because we had that niche, we were considered as specialists. So build a commercial niche. That's the first suggestion. Also, when you go and you want to present yourself, make sure that you are wearing a logoed shirt, have your business cards, flyers, and all of your material that kind of blends together with the look and style that you're going for with that commercial niche. Another very obvious thing that you want to consider is your website. Build a website. It doesn't have to be elaborate or fancy, but a website that's specifically geared for commercial carpet cleaning. Now, when we think about websites, you don't have to be lavish. It just needs to look simple and professional, but one thing needs to stand out. It needs to have search engine optimization. And of course, you already know that, SEO. It's not as hard as you think. If you build a site that's really geared towards your area or your location and the services that you offer, specifically that niche, it's easy to do well with search engine optimization when you're focusing on a niche. Long tail keyword chains, you want to do some research on long tail keywords. In other words, expressions that people are going to be searching is what you want to work with in your search engine optimization. So when Google goes looking for carpet cleaners that do commercial carpet cleaning in your area, you're going to pop up. The second search engine we want to talk about behind Google is the number 2 search engine in the world, and that's YouTube. Why do you think we use YouTube here at Excellent Supply so much? It's the number 2 search engine. So put together some videos talking about what you offer and how you go about providing the most professional commercial carpet cleaning service in your area. Using those 2 tools together, along with very concise, well thought out marketing pieces, give some thought to it so that you can build a presentation package that will appeal to your customer base. Now, as we go through the next 6 segments of this series, we're going to talk about how to put all of those pieces together. So this is part 1. Stick around for part 2. Part 2 is going to be very interesting. We're going to talk about farming, how to go after your niche. So look forward to seeing you on part 2. So hopefully you've appreciated this segment in our series. We're here to help you max your Encap at Excellent Supply. Please feel free to reach out to me or my staff, and we'll help you any way that we can. We want to help you be successful with your commercial carpet cleaning business. Thanks for watching.